scaling with beat caps, why beat caps don't spend some time, and how to find the creative angles that will finally get you spent. You know, I'm a big fan of the beat caps for two reasons. First, it allows to avoid bad days and avoid the performance volatility. So beat caps deliver conversions at or under your bid. Second, it allows to scale aggressively when there is a room, when there is a demand, and you can literally 5x, 10x the budget on these days while maintaining the consistent CPA. I hear a lot of doubts and concern in the community, especially from the seasoned media buyers. They say that they've already tried bid caps and it's hard to make it spend. From one side, yeah, it's true. When you don't understand how it works and when you don't understand the core auction principles, it's hard to make it spend. From the other side, it's a feature, not a bug, that saves you wasted budget. There are several reasons why beat caps don't spend, but there are two major ones. First is when you try to run beat caps along with the lowest cost campaign. In this case, lowest cost campaign will spend the entire budget no matter what, and it will try to get you as many conversions as possible for that budget that you allocated already. And there will be no low-hanging fruits for the beat cap campaign to collect, because on the account level the priority goes to the lowest cost campaign because it has to spend the entire budget. So lowest cost gets all the conversions and beat caps don't spend because there are no conversions left there and Facebook doesn't see any opportunity. So this is the first reason. The second one is when Facebook predicts that it won't be able to get you conversions at or under your bid. So basically it's what you ask it to do. So it's a feature, not a bug, as I already mentioned. But when you finally find the creative that resonates with the audience, offer should be there for sure. Facebook will start allocating spend towards this creative. So the main indicator of the good performing creative is not the CPA, because the CPA is limited by the bid. The performance indicator is spend, because if Facebook allocates budget to a specific creative, it means it can deliver you conversions at or under your bid. So the goal is to produce as much of those spenders at scale. And now I'm approaching the topic of finding these angles. And there are several sources of inspiration, and one of them is obviously the competitors' landscape. So let's dive in. So here is the document where we collected multiple angles from the competitors' advertisements, and let's break it down. So first one from HIMS, straightforward approach. Trouble sleeping? HIMS can help. So this is the classical approach. If this, try this. Another one, wake up energized. The product is the same, can be the same, but sleeping well and waking up energized are a little bit different angles. Third one, this pill helps you sleep through the night without a hangover. First one was trouble sleeping, second one was waking up energized. Now we have that sleeping without waking up at night. Next one, melatonin versus our product. So this is the classical approach, us versus the known solution. You see, your melatonin cannot do this. Here is the comparison chart. Office visit versus HIMS, right? Instant provider match. Stop waking up in the middle of the night, right? Similar. The next one, 4 steps to something. 4 steps to a good night's sleep. Review UGC. Let's experiment, blah, 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 blah. The next one, restful night. Personal experience. Mentioning the known media and out with sedatives. Right, so I used to take melatonin almost nightly, la 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 la, and they're adding the known media for the social proof. Angle 10, ready to ditch, cancel the sedative. So this is the classical say goodbye to or never get back to approach. So say goodbye to this problem, never get back to this solution. Again, non-groggy natural sleep aid. So we have like around 20 of these. Adding statistics. So did you know that 70% of Americans report not sleeping the recommended hours? Another one worth testing. Learn why top athletes turn to CBD sleep powder. So mentioning the known figures, top athletes for the social proof. Again, 3 reasons why. And the problem solved. A curated collection of several herbs, 7 herbs that like fight anxiety, relieve stress, uplift mood. This is how we approach collecting the ideas, and then the only thing left is to like apply it for the brand to come up with these angles and test them, obviously with beat caps. This is how I approach the competitor research for finding the creative ideas. Hope it helps, and feel free to reach out.